Hi guys, welcome to Variety Family. Today we are going to see some notable records in the ICC ODI Cricket World Cup so far. First one, most runs scored by our master blaster Sachin Tendulkar. He scored 2278 runs and most centuries in the ICC ODI World Cup tournaments. Most centuries by our hitman Rohit Sharma, total 7 centuries, and the highest integer score in the ODI World Cup, that is Kiwis, New Zealand opening batsman Martin Guptill 237 runs not out, and most runs in a single edition of the tournament by our GOAT Virat Kohli, 765 runs in the last 2023 Cricket World Cup hosted by India. Most 50s, half centuries by our master blaster again Sachin Tendulkar, 12 50s. Most sixes by our hitman Rohit Sharma by 52 sixes. And among bowling records, let us see. Most wickets, our Glenn McGrath, Australian pace bowler, 71 wickets total. Best bowling performance, 7-4-15 by again Glenn McGrath. Then most 4 wicket hauls, that also McGrath, 5 times. Other notable records, most matches played, Sachin Tendulkar, 45 matches. Most matches won by Australia, 70 matches. Most consecutive matches won by Australia, 21 matches. A player who played consecutively for the team, 23 matches by our master blaster Sachin Tendulkar, and most finals played Australia 7 times, and they got 6 titles. So these are some of the notable records in the 50 years ICC ODI Cricket World Cup so far. Thank you for watching my small information by a Variety Family, signing off. Thank you.